Hey there, the team over at Pecute sent over this back seat extender for my dog. So let's take a look at how easy it is to set up, and I'll show you what my dog thinks of it. So this comes in its own bag, which is really nice because it is fully collapsible, so you can put it all back in the bag for storage when it's not needed. I took everything out of the bag and spread it out on the driveway so I could put it together. I inserted the 6-piece hardbacks into the bottom of it and zipped everything closed. Then I placed it in the back of the SUV, latched the straps to the back seats, then the 2 sets of straps to the front seat. Finally, I zipped up the 2 sides and attached that strap to the ceiling of the car. This also comes with a short leash that you can put through the back of the seat cover and plug into the seat belt. The interior of this is a fake leather sofa design that is quilted, which will make it easier to keep clean because it allows for the fur to just blow right off. There's also 2 pockets, one plastic and one with a Velcro closure. This is great for not only giving my dog his own area in the back seat, but it also keeps him contained to that back area, but he can still see us and get air ventilation here in the front. So far, we are really liking this. He fits really well in here. It gives him a place to go. For reference, our dog is about 40 pounds, and we currently have this in the back of a Toyota Highlander. This says it is rated for dogs up to 280 pounds. With the boards removed, this is also machine washable, and when not using it, everything folds up and can go in the bag. This installs in about 5 minutes, super easy to do, really liking it, easy to clean. If you are looking for a way to keep your dog contained in the back of your SUV, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.